Disney World travel series.
Disney and Pixar Short Film Festival, and there's only a 7-minute wait, so let's go in. Mickey!
Come on over.
Hi Mickey.
Would you like to stand again for photographs?
Hello.
Hello. Surprise. This is a nice surprise. How are you? Good? Having the best day ever? How about you? Oh, what happened?
Really good day, yeah.
Good, that's what we like to hear.
Here we go.
You can come and just sit there. Sorry. Okay.
Right there. Last time. Thank you.
Thank you.
so much. Nice to meet you. Do you want to say hi to the camera?
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks, bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
It's going to be just over here.
Oh, it's such a nice surprise. How nice was that? Oh, we got a professional photograph.
Yep. I actually need a drink after this ride. My mouth is... No, we'll go for this ride first. There's only 7 minutes and then we'll get one. Thank you.
Either one.
The first movies we made at Pixar were also shorts. They have been a great training ground for us. It's amazing how much story you can tell in a short film and how emotional they can be.
When I was a young warthog.
Wayne's that desperate for a drink. Let's see what he tries. Oh my word.
Again.
Push to drink now.
Yeah. Hot, isn't it?
Oh no, right, thank you.
And do you have any discounts in your pass? No. Alright, so it's $4.25.
What did you order?
Sprite and
Just a
Coke.
normal fountain.
So
Yeah. Up.
Oh, sorry, thank you.
Thank you.
Fab, thank you very much. Yes, please. So many pockets. They're not bad though.
Yeah. It's come handy for a nice little park bag, hasn't it? Oh, look at that Sprite goodness over there.
And then just in time for test track.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Go on, you know you're dying. Feel better now?
Oh yeah.
Come on then.
Let's go. Right, where are we going now? Test track? Yeah, that way.
Can I sit for 2 minutes?
Yeah, can do, yeah. We finally made it to test track.
After a refreshment break.
Yeah, after a refreshment break in Club Cool.
Ugh, that Beverly's awful.
Now I wasn't going to record this, but because the last time we done it was at night, we've not done it in the daytime yet, have we? So I feel like I should record it in the daytime.
We watched it back and it was horrendous. I screamed, so I apologise right now.
So I'm going to record this because it's the daytime. If it was a nighttime one again, I probably wouldn't have bothered, but I want to see how it comes out in the daytime, don't we?
Yeah.
So
I'm not going to lie, I'm absolutely
right.
I'm my French.
So we're making our way into test track now, and we'll see you. What's that?
85 minutes.
Oh well, yeah. So we'll see you in a bit. Thank you.
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt then. 85-minute wait.
Yeah.
Because it was raining. Everyone's now rushing.
Why don't you like this ride?
Oh, I don't know. It's so jolty and so fast. Oh!
You're gonna be a big brave girl and get on?
If I have to for you.
Yeah.
You wouldn't do Terra Terra.
No way, no
I'm
way.
doing that again tomorrow.
Oh, yeah?
So I'm doing it. It's so fun.
Right, let's go and choose our car.
You can do it this time.
Okay, alright then.
Either side, Captain. Head over to Studio B to Brian, he'll give you a number. Thank you.
Thank you.
We might have the front of the car, might we?
Hopefully.
Yeah.
We should do. No, I don't think it matters at this point.
I might pick in the car today.
Is this going to be the same as Chevy? Because it's by Chevrolet. Yeah, you can pick it today. How are you not scared?
Huh?
How are you not scared?
I admit it's a little bit jolty, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I do smack my knees on it a few times, so...
What is it with you cars?
You got a Disney card. Alright, let's see what it is. Or did we you got that trust us, Crank the ship. Oh, you can make it shake.
Nice.
Let's do a cooler carving rice.
Ooh, very nice. Face. How did I know you were going to choose yellow?
We want it to be efficient though, so we How much power do you want? A lot of power. It's not going to be efficient though, if we have a lot of power. Okay. Okay. Oh, look what color our card is. Okay. Alright, Gracie, you tell us what color do we want? Gracie, choose one. Okay, Skylar, choose some wheels.
It looks like a supercharged Tesla.
Yeah. Do I have to scan that again?
Scan it now, I think. Yeah, you're fine.
That's it, done.
Happy?
Yeah, can I show everyone the car?
Yep.
Look at that for a beast. Yeah? Are you ready to ride the beast?
Nope. Does it have the flip-up doors like a Tesla does?
I don't know. But I've still got time to kill, but I'm happy with that. So
That's my dream car, the Tesla with the doors that go up.
yeah. Bat wings or
Yeah,
something like that.
bat wings. How are we doing for battery?
Full bar so far. Very nice. Yeah.
For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened with hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times.
Oh yeah.
Please supervise children. Thank you.
La estación de control de cinturones.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIM-car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
That's our car.
Capability test results displayed
No, it's
and
not.
verified.
That's not our
Now
car.
let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total environmental impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
I don't remember that. And I've been on this ride for like a million times.
I said to him, sorry, I'm a big baby.
Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Are you ready?
For power test.
Like that?
Great.
Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
Let's go here. No, you're my one, wouldn't it?
You beat me.
Go then.
You beat me.
Let's go and look at that truck that I really want. I want to see what these do. Oh, it's a game thing, is it? Oh, yeah, leave it. Go on then.
You don't actually design it.
Because you got that film at daylight at the front, that'll be brilliant for the intro now.
Could be, yeah, we could use that for the intro.
Well, everyone else will know about it by now.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that yellow one.
Yeah, I like that truck though. No, I don't remember it, it might have been. Oh. Buy a truck. Buy a sexy truck. Right, come on. Your hair's definitely dry now anyway, isn't it, if it wasn't before? Sunshine griddle.
Fried cinnamon roll bites. Bacon. Wayne's always wanted to get on the monorail, so we can go to the Ticket and Transportation Centre and get the monorail through the hotel.
Oh, can we do that now?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go and do that now then.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's one bit of transport we've not done yet this trip, wasn't it? It was a monorail. We said we want to get it done before we left.
That's why I knew we could do that from here.
Oh, let's go and do that now then. I'm looking forward to that.
So we'll get the bus to the Contemporary.
Yep.
And then we'll get the monorail over.
Does that take us all the way to Magic Kingdom?
Yep.
Oh wow, okay.
You didn't know that, did you?
No.
Bye for now.
Bye.
We might be back in 2 days.
Might come back Friday morning before we fly home, mightn't we?
Or get some breakfast in the breakfast pavilion. Yeah.
Oh, getaway gifts. Can we look in there quickly? Oh, Jess, you know what we didn't do? We didn't go and see the butterflies.
We'll come back.
Yeah.
Maybe next year.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
To be honest though, I don't know whether I'd want to be in it in this heat.
It would be warm in there, wouldn't it? Thank you. Right, let's go and get the monorail. I've never done this before. I'm looking forward to this. Oh yeah. Was it the Star Spangled Banner?
I'm not singing it.
No, but is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's been going on and on and on and on about this.
I want to go on the monorail. I want to go on the monorail, and we've made it. Woohoo!
I knew this was going to happen today though. That's why I said let's go to Magic Kingdom.
Oh, okay.
Because he's been on and on and on and on about it. But he's doing it now, yay!
Woo.
I love that Epcot. There's something special about it.
Yeah. Can we just wait for the next one? Can we just wait for the next one? Yeah. Oh, okay. Go down the back then. I want to sit down and enjoy it.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Monorail system. Transportation for those of you staying, please hold on to the handrail throughout our journey. Please stay clear and do not leave the
So we just got off the monorail, transferred to the resort one, haven't we?
Yeah.
And we're going to stop off at Contemporary to have a quick drink.
Yeah.
Because we both need a water or something. And then going to make our way on to Magic Kingdom. Is that the plan?
Yes, so just to let you know, the Epcot monorail we changed at the Ticket and Transportation Centre, where you can get buses and ferries to Magic Kingdom. And then we're jumping on the Resort Hotel monorail, which is the 4th stop to Contemporary. Get off and then jump on another monorail to Magic Kingdom, just because Wayne wants to see what a luxury
coming soon, isn't
resort
it?
is like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll see you soon.
It's so hot.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Oh,
Get your away from you, mate.
I've got a boo-boo.
That is what? That is what test track does to you.
I don't think it was test track. My knees are nowhere near it.
Wasn't it?
I don't think we've done that. I'm not entirely sure.
In the toilet?
Ouchie.
I like one.
Oh.
It's a white bit.
We are now stopping at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, a Victorian-style hotel offering the modern conveniences of a full-service spa and health club. Please hold on to the handrail and
Well, the seats there.
Perfect. Oh, cool. We've got to walk.
Do you know what this reminds me of?
What?
Reminds me of Luxor with those rooms, doesn't it?
Remind me of the Luxor, yeah. And the monorail. So, you can either get back on that and do the whole loop again or walk.
How far's the walk?
I don't know. I think it's about 10
Walk
minutes.
to where?
Magic Kingdom.
Well, let's go and get a drink first, shall we? And then make a plan, yeah?
Yeah.
Right. So what restaurants and bars are here? Chef Mickey's?
That is a specialty restaurant.
Is there any way we can sit down and get a drink?
I haven't got a clue. I've never been here before.
Well, let's have a look round. Shall we have a look round, yeah?
You need to remember to bring our refillable mugs.
Yep. What are you fancying today then? A cake? What's this place? The Contempo Cafe?
Yeah.
Ooh. That looks nice.
I don't know.
That one up there looks nice, at the top.
Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah.
You gonna get that? Yeah.
You ready to eat yet?
Huh?
Ready to eat?
I can get something if you want.
Dinner?
No, I'm not dinner hungry just yet. No. Let's get a snack.
I don't know what to get.
Treat yourself. You're on holiday.
Not like the melon. Oh, I want really. Might get a kid's little meal.
Oh, well, let's see what they got.
So you can order the food right over here at the register, or you can do it on the menu. I'll show menu. The menu will be right up there.
Okay.
Oh, okay, thank you.
There's some snacks here if you want.
Yeah. That's not meals then.
Is that a Mickey bar?
Yeah.
Well, no, it's Rice Krispie. Yeah, but it's a Rice Krispie. How much was that?
Don't know until I pay for it.
We'll find out. It's got no M&M's on that one, though, is it?
Nope.
No.
It's got chocolate on it though.
Oh, can I film the menu?
It's for tomorrow, it's not for today.
Just that, please. Can I get a cup of water as well, please? Thank you. That worked out well.
Yep.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Oh, it's the last of the vouchers. Have you got one? Yeah, just that, please. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Wait, what's the receipt?
Yes,
Yeah.
please. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. So we're in the Contemporary Resort, and just as brought a Rice Krispie treat with tax, comes to $5.31, and it looks like this. So she's gonna eat that. Jessie's just up there getting a drink. But yeah, so we're gonna sit here and chill for 10 minutes or so, and then we're gonna make our way to Magic Kingdom. Nice? Tastes like all the others? Yep. And we've also got a cup for water as well. I got a bottle of water as well, but this was in my bag anyway. So yeah, enjoy, yeah? Just had a quick pit stop in Contempo Cafe.
Rice Krispie treats are on.
We've got two options. We can either leave here and walk to Magic Kingdom, which is about 20 minutes, or we can get on the monorail and go round the loop again, which is going to take about 20 minutes. So we're going to do that, yeah? Yep, so we're a bit lazy, you see, so we're going to take the monorail back. So, when we got off the monorail, 10 miles, when we got off the monorail before going into the restaurant, we asked someone that works on the monorail how long was the walk to Magic Kingdom, and they said 20 minutes. He says it'd be quicker if we went on the monorail.
I know!
So we got in the queue just after eating, and we asked someone else, and they said, oh no, it's a 5-minute walk just across the parking lot. So we've come out of the monorail queue now, haven't we?
Yeah.
And we're going to make our way out of the Contemporary and walk across the parking lot to Magic Kingdom.
Yep.
So that was a waste of time, wasn't it?
Yep.
Right, we'll see you when we're there.
Now we're walking so quick. It's actually right there, isn't it? England. Right. No, it's not fair. Bye.
Thank you.
So this 20-minute walk from there, that place, we're here. That was the longest 20-minute walk of our lives.
I don't know what that bloke was on about then when he said it's a 20-minute walk. I don't know what he was on about, whether he was just having a laugh or a joke or what.
He was being serious.
But yeah, as you can see, we've made it.
Actually, you know what, when I think about it, you could be right. By the time you've gone through security and all that, it could be like 15 minutes.
Possibly.
But we're here now. You gotta stay with us. Are you happy you did it anyway?
Yep.
Look, what's your favourite ride?
Yep, the headbanger. Walkway to Magic Kingdom.
And look at that. The bus stops. That is max.
It's probably not, yeah, I say it's probably not a 5 minute, it's probably 10, so.
That is maximum 10 minutes, isn't it? There's the,
yeah.
And we're there.
Yeah.
In fact, you cut out half of the buses by walking down the side of it. So. Little girl. They were naughty. They jaywalked.
So I didn't want to go into the man walked.
Oh well, I'm naughty.
So the rest of the offence that is jaywalking. Naughty. Naughty, naughty. Hey, little froglet.
Come out at night? That's the second one I've seen.
We saw no.
Do they come out at night?
Yeah, I think so.
Plus, we're supposed to have really good seats in the Epcot one.
Thank you.
Outside that.
Yeah, we have done, yeah.
Of a night though.
I think so. Not maybe not of the night. I'm not entirely sure.
Oh my god. Oh, sad. I'm excited to see the fireworks. Every time.
What? The app plays up. Oh, the Wi-Fi.
Right, now it's working. Let's get a ride.
I think this is the beauty of this park at night, isn't it? Don't you?
Yes.
Or do you think it's something different?
No, I think this is stunning. It's so pretty.
All the parks are nice, but I think this at night time, this is comes
when
to
you come here in the day and then you leave of the night and see it all lit up.
Yeah.
It's so lovely.
I think all parks are lovely at night, but this one just edges it for me.
Right, let's see. Second draw. 80 minutes. What time will that be? Let's see. 9 o'clock. I can't do that. Fireworks.
What about Big Thunder?
No, we can. Because we get to ride it when the fireworks are on. Woo! We timed that well again.
Is it booked?
Yay! They were amazing. So hopefully we'll catch it just as the fireworks are finishing. We can always come back tomorrow. We've seen the fireworks. They were beautiful. Right, come on.
So is it booked, yeah?
Yeah. Right, let's see what short wait time. Because we did all these shops last night.
Yeah. Right, we're going to have a little check on Main Street to see on the app what things, rides, amusements we can do that have got a short wait time. As you've just seen, we've booked 7 Dwarfs Mine Train at what time? 9 o'clock?
Yes.
So we've timed that just well to watch for the fireworks.
Look at that!
What?
So many, like...
There's a few 15 minutes. Yeah, we might be able to get...
65.
Yeah. So what ones are 15? Or a few?
Let's see, 30 minutes. No. 25 minutes. Buzz Lightyear. Come on.
Let's go and do that then, yeah? Right, we're making our way to Buzz Lightyear.
You're staying out of that confectionery, and so am I.
Get your foot in there.
I know what we can do.
What?
We can watch the fireworks till it finishes and then go on Seven Dwarfs.
It's up to you. I like doing it whilst
But I want to see the fireworks.
well, it's up to you. You know, you decide what you want to do. I don't mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll have to think about it.
Yeah, we'll have to think about it. To just say we booked 7 Dwarfs Mine Train for 9 PM.
Yeah.
So we're going to be doing that. We're not sure if we're going to wait until after the fireworks or while the fireworks are on. But we've just spotted on the app that the Buzz Lightyear, is it Buzz Lightyear?
Yeah.
It's got a 20-minute wait, so we're going to make our way over there now, aren't we?
Yeah, that'll be about 10 minutes.
Probably, yeah. Is that the shooting one?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, it's 3-2 at the moment, so I need to win this one.
I lose on this one, so it's not fair.
If I win this one, it's 3-all.
It'll be 4-3 tomorrow, and I beat him at Midway Mania at Hollywood Studios.
Right, let's see what the scores
still got
are.
another full day,
Yeah.
yay! Ooh.
Yeah. Right,
Wow, that Lady Nelly hit us.
check out the score down below in the next few minutes. Lame score, champion score.
Say something. He only did that well because there was a malfunction with the ride.
Oh yeah, malfunction. Yeah.
For about 5 minutes the ride was down.
Yeah.
Tell the truth.
No, 3-all.
Tell the truth.
There's no malfunction.
Little.
3-3. So we've just left, what was it, Space Ranger Spin?
Yeah.
And the score stands at 3-3. So in the corner now it will turn 3-3.
There was a malfunction.
Yeah,
Tell the truth.
No malfunction.
Tell the truth.
It slowed down for a few seconds.
5 minutes.
Not 5 minutes. 3-3. Decided tomorrow. Yep.
Let's go and see the fireworks.
Yeah, it's about 10 to 9 now, so we should get over there just in time. Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
We should get over there just in time.
Let's get a good space.
Yeah.
You have traveled from so far. Now you're close enough to feel it. With a smile on your face and a song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star, the magic you feel. It's here for you and me. It all depends on you. There's some time to slow it down. People taking the easy way. But I know exactly where I'm going. Closer, closer every day. I'm almost there. Away, away. And when it's time to find you, we know the way.
Watched our last showing of Enchantment. It was absolutely amazing. I wish I was saying happily ever after, but I hope they bring that back maybe in a year or two, because everyone says it's magical. But the nice thing was we saw Tinkerbell.
Yep.
She wasn't here when we came on our first night,
yeah,
which was day one. So it's so nice to see it, and we had a cracking view. I have to say, we were very cutting it fine. We got there about 10 to, and a really kind security officer allowed us into the disabled bit, and I didn't even have to explain why. She was just really respectful and said, yep, go through. She was a bit hesitant at first, but if you're polite and ask again, they will say yes, and they might say no. Just don't be mean. But it was amazing. We had the best view. I felt really bad because right behind us was a VIP where they pay a lot of money to sit in there.
You have to pay for that?
Yeah, I think so.
Know.
You either have to book or pay. I know there's a service that you used to be able to pay for where you'd buy like cakes and stuff and sit in a certain area. I know they do boat parties, and like other hotels do like really good viewing, but now we are going on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, and I have to thank Wayne because he really wanted to see the fireworks on the roller coaster again. So we're going to put the camera in my bag now because we don't know when the last time is we're going to ride this of the night. It's probably going to be today.
It probably will be the last time we ride this, so I want to enjoy it without. I mean, I do get enjoyment recording it for you guys watching at home, but
we want to enjoy it ourselves. Yeah, we want to enjoy it
ourselves. So we're going to put the camera away, ride it, and then probably get some dinner. Yeah. And while we're having dinner, we'll book another ride. Yeah.
And the other thing is, Wayne can't scream like a little girl when you guys are here. Right, so we're going to go over there, and we'll see you when we get off the ride. If you do want to watch it, head over to, I think it was about 2 days ago, maybe 2 vlogs back, or the Saturday vlog. You can watch us on that ride so many times. I can't remember. I can't remember.
All days merge into one here, don't they?
But there's plenty of vlogs where we've ridden Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. So see you in a bit.
So we just rode Seven Dwarfs Mine Train twice. So when we got into the queue, we got right to the front, and we asked the lovely cast member if we could have the front row, and she was like, yeah, of course you can. So she pulled a few strings and we got to number 1, and we said, could we have your name please, because we feel like there's a cast compliment coming up. And she was like, my name's Mac. So I was like, how do you spell it? And she was like, M-A-C. I was like, okay, thank you. Got on the ride, brilliant in the front. Absolutely,
so good.
Yeah. And then as we was getting off, she came over and said, would you like to ride it at the back? It's the fastest at the back. I was like, what, for nothing? She went, yeah, just come in. So she opened the gate for us, and we went back in and read the back one, and I think it was a lot faster and a lot better. So if you do go on it, you need to ride it number 10, don't you? Yeah. But we do want to say thank you to Matt.
Thank you so much. That made our night. We love that ride. That's my favourite ride.
I think it is my favourite.
It's Peter Pan. Bye, Peter Pan.
I think it's my favourite ride here. Although we are doing Big Thunder Mountain in about half hour's time, and we've only done that once this whole trip, haven't we? So that might top it later, but at this moment in time, that is our favourite ride, isn't it?
We are having food in a minute, so we'll see how we feel, but we are definitely going to ride it, even if we're puking our butts up afterwards.
Thank you, Mac, for that.
Thank you, Mac. That was so nice of you. And so lovely.
You'll fill in a form later when we get back to the room, won't you?
It's called a cast compliment. It's really easy to do. You don't need to write anything. You just put the name of the person, where they were from. I can't remember where you were from, I'm so sorry. But if you put the area, which is Fantasyland, and then you put...
is it Frontier?
No, it's Fantasyland.
Oh, Fantasy, okay.
And then you put... what's it called? You put the name, the place, what area they worked in, and then it was like ride attendant. It'll give you a list anyway, as you've seen on the screen.
Yeah.
But we're now going to go to, is it
Cosmic Rays.
Cosmic Rays, to get some food.
Yeah.
Because we're hungry. I'm feeling a burger.
Oh, well, we'll see.
Burgers. So we have decided to go on Big Thunder Mountain now, because apparently it's really good to do it at night. So we're going to put the camera away and we will speak to you when we finish. I think we're going to go to Cosmic Rays, which I think is a short walk from here. And if we can't get food, because a lot of the places seem shut, we're going to order some pizza back to the hotel.
Hopefully, if we can do that, that is, yeah.
Or jump on one of the rides, jump on one of the buses to another nearby hotel and see if their quick service is open.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Fingers crossed. If not, we'll sort it out. So see you in a minute. So we are in Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe, and we've both got the cheese and bacon burgers with fries.
Look at that.
And a drink to share.
Yeah. And how much?
It was $28.57, and then with tax it was
$30.43. Let me just make that. So it was $28.57, but with tax it came to $30.43. So enjoy. I have eaten in this whole 2 weeks. It's nice, isn't it?
Love.
That's why I wanted to come back here for today.
Right, I'm going to go to the restrooms.
Is that driving licence on the table? Do you want to hand that in? If that is, I think that's someone's driving licence, isn't it? Or is it?
Yeah, it's a kid's thing.
Oh, right, sorry. Right.
Not a real driver's license.
Are we going
Can you hand it in though?
No. If it was real, yeah. Are we calling it a night now, yeah?
We've got to, yeah.
Is it 11 o'clock?
The park is still open, but not for us.
No.
Because we are not deluxe yet.
No, so let's make our way out of the park then, shall we?
Yep. There was a slight little issue with our meal, and the guy offered to give Wayne a free slushie, which was nice of him. So strawberry lemonade.
Really nice.
I think it's too sour, even though I love sour things, but you're liking it, aren't you?
Very nice.
So thank you so much for sorting out that problem with our meal. We didn't complain either, did we?
No, no complaints.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Like roasted peanuts and
She's so pretty.
Are we coming back here tonight, tomorrow night?
I'd like to.
Because other than not, do you want to say bye to the castle now, just in case?
I'm going to get a photo pass picture. Bye, castle.
Bye, castle.
Should we get in the queue quickly and get a picture? That's really pretty, that actually. We'll get that done. Yeah? Okay. Let's just long it out a little bit longer. This is my favourite bit. This bit.
Where are we going?
Main Street, USA. Do you reckon we could decorate our flat outside like this? Bye bye.
We've just said bye to the castle just in case we don't come back tomorrow. We're hoping we can, aren't we?
Hopefully.
But we just said bye now just in case.
Yeah. We could pop over here at 9 when Hollywood Studios shuts. Just for the final 2 hours, hour and a half. I'm going to Evan Dwarfs one more time.
I want to go and get some crisps.
Yeah, I think I've decided. We're going to go Hollywood Studios and then we're going to come back here at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Want some crisps? Probably this place then. We'll do the crisps. Where's this called? Bakery. Hi, thank you. I don't think they're going to do chips in here. It's just bakery goodness.
Oh.
Come on then, this is Starbucks.
No chips.
Ooh, that looks lovely.
Very, very good. I've had one myself.
Thank you. Oh, confectionery, you will. You just want some crisps?
Yeah, just something to nibble on in the room.
I've got those tortillas with sour cream.
No,
just not cutting it?
No, not cutting it.
It's not like you to drink something sour like that.
I'll get the midnight munchies, don't I? And there's... So if you hear rustling around in the room, it's not mice, is it? It's me.
It's you.
Yeah.
They should sell crisps. It's a sweet shop. I need to get out of here. I can't eat any more Rice Krispie treats.
You get out then.
I'll meet you outside, okay? Because I can't take this. I'll meet you outside these doors. Let's have one last peek.
We was on a chip hunt, weren't we, or crisp hunt, and I found some potato chips.
Barbecue flavoured. Oh, with Goofy on the front.
Don't get chips here though. $3.49 for those. $3.49, but I was not going home until I found some. So yeah, you either go to Walmart and stock up, or you have to pay these prices. $3.49, rip off.
I think this is the latest we've stayed out.
Yeah, we're a bit naughty, we shouldn't be in the park now, should we?
I went round the corner and filmed the castle again.
Did you?
Yeah. I'm going.
Right, come on then. Right, we're going, how do we get back? Is it Skyliner from here or just bus? I can't remember.
Bus.
Bus, yeah, so we're going to get on the bus, back to Pop Century, and then I guess we'll end the video there, won't we?
I'm crying to the strawberry fruit they drink.
Right, we'll see you soon. Jess is making her way back over there to have one more look at the castle. We can come back here tomorrow night, I promise, yeah? You're too upset to talk. We wave goodbye to the castle for probably the last time, but we're going to try and sneak a visit tomorrow, aren't we? Do you think we can? Do you think if we leave the parks at 9 we can get here for say 10 and have one more glimpse of it? Yeah? Maybe. Right. You're feeling a bit down in the dumps now, aren't you?
I wish there was alcohol in this.
Yeah. Right, we'll see you back in the room, yeah? Bye bye. Wave.
Bye bye. Stop filming me.
You're very sad. Aren't you?
That baby crying, it's really my soul.
Right, let's get out of here before I end up wrestling you back out the park. Yeah?
I'll be like, anyone want to buy a magic band? Anyone want to sell a deluxe magic band for $50?
Right.
I'll go back in just one more ride.
No, right, we're getting out now. We're by the Disney bus transportation.
Filming me, everyone's going to think I like Fruit Loop.
Right.
It's really sad.
I'm making sure you're mushing you out. Yeah. Right, you're out. Night. Right. We'll see you when we're back in the resort.
Bye, security officer.
Bye, lamppost.
Right, we get it now. Go in. Just gonna wait for the next one.
Can do.
I'm not standing up on that. Hell no.
Tell him then. Tell him because he just said there's one coming up. Thank you. Home sweet home.
Right guys, we are going to call it a night. 1 second. We're going to call it a night here. We've had a very long day. We are up bright and early tomorrow for Animal Kingdom.
Day 13, isn't it?
Day 13 as well. It's our official last full day. We've got breakfast here at the resort, Mickey waffles. Then we've got Animal Kingdom to see the gorillas, Flight of Passage.
Drawings.
Drawing.
Yeah.
We wants to do a caricature thing. And then we're going to try and do the safari. Then we're coming back here. I'm going to do a resort tour. Then we're going over to Hollywood Studios to ride Rise of the Resistance. Do all the other little rides. One last ride on the
That's
Slinky
the plan,
Dog.
isn't it? Yeah.
Then once we've left there, we're going to go over to Springs. See if we can do something that we need to do. And if we've got enough time, we're going to, even if we've only got an hour left, we're going to go over to Magic Kingdom just to see the castle one last time. Even if we just get off the bus at 10:30. We're going to just go in and look at it one last time. And then go home. On that note, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye! Next time on Holiday with the Heathers, I got the Mickey waffle platter, which comes with 3 waffles, bacon and sausage. I've got some syrup to go on my muffles, and I've got an iced tea in my Mickey mug. Hi Dottie! Bellies. Show the belly. Hi Dottie! I actually go every morning and just ride that for like an hour and just get out of my own head.
You're going to have to come back and book it again.
I'm going to have to.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that ride. I think that's my favourite ride. I keep changing and changing until Rise of the Resistance.
Happy with that picture?
Yeah.
You include it in this vlog, yeah? Yeah.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to